Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope you will fine, my dear students. This is your class 10th, chapter first from exercise 1.4, and this heading given in this chapter, question number third. What saying this heading to me and you? The following real numbers have decimal expansions as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational numbers or not. They are rational numbers, so they include of the form P upon Q. What can you say about the prime factors of? Okay, my dear students, and based on given this digit, question number third to second, 0.120 4 times 0 dot move to infinite. Okay, my dear students, you know what's in this heading? This heading saying to me and you, this digit is form of rational numbers or not. If this digit is a form of rational numbers, so write up here form of P upon Q. Okay, my dear students, and this heading saying to me, and this digit are rational numbers. So this digit includes of the form of P upon Q, and okay, my dear students, so now this digit is your rational numbers. So this digit include form of the P upon Q, and this digit form include of the form of P upon Q. So now see here, this digit factors are prime factors. Okay, my dear students, when this digit will be form of rational numbers and P upon Q form right up here, so that this digit is your has in prime factors, but this digit is not include form of P upon Q, so it has not any prime factors digit including this digit. Okay, my dear students, so now I solve these questions. My dear students, now see it here, 0.12 first time repeat 0 and 12 second time repeat 0. My dear students, matching the digit 120.120 1200. 0 is second time repeat and 12 is same digit right here, 12 and third time 0, 12 and 4 times 0. Okay, my dear students, so now 0 is many times repeat and point forward to move dot forward to move in infinite way. So this question is not include of the form P upon Q, and I say this digit is not rational numbers, and it has no any prime factors digit include in this digits. Okay, my dear students, so now uh, it has it has it has no it has no any prime factor digits include it has no any prime factor digits include, and 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 can't and can't it means cannot, and can't include of the form P upon Q. So this is not, so this is not rational numbers, because this digits because this digit repeat infinitely because this digit repeat infinitely time. Okay, my dear students, so now this is your answer. My dear students, now see this digit 0.12 and 12 same digit repeat here, but 0 1 2 0 one times, 1 2 0 0 two times, 1 2 0 0 three times, 1 2 4 times 0. So digit is your 0 given in this digit, but 0 is many times repeat, and given dot 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 point here, and this digit forwards infinitely way. So this digit can't easily change. This digit can't easily change include of the form P upon Q. If and digit not convert into P upon Q, so that digit is not rational numbers. Okay, my dear students, thank you. So this is not rational numbers, and can't easily convert into P upon Q, and therefore it has non-prime factors. This is your answer. Okay, my dear students, thank you.